Hari Om. Welcome to Tatvat Yoga. We are organizing a 9-day Navratri yoga workshop. Welcome to this 9-day special yoga workshop designed to honor the nine form of goddess Durga during the sacred festival of Navratri. Each day we will focus on a specific Devi and dedicating our practice to her unique energy and qualities. This workshop includes a core posture for each day and a powerful intention sankalpa which complete and connects within the divine feminine within. So there are some general instruction which you should be follow every time when we doing asana or something any sadhana. Number one, hydrate well, and doing anything should be on an empty stomach. Second, listen to your body throughout the process. So, day one is dedicated to Maa Shailaputri, goddess of the daughter of the mountain, embracing purity and the power of the nature. Sankalpa is I am grounded and stable like the mountain. The key posture of day one is Tada Asana, which represent the stability of the mountain. So now we are starting. Seated in any comfortable posture in a cross-legged position. Hands should be resting on your knees. Starting, we will do some Pavan Muktasana series, which is like a neck rotation, shoulder rotation, and the wrist rotation, which is help for the stability and the strength of the body. So first, we will do some wrist rotation. First, bring forward your wrist like this, and just circular rotation 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now release the hand. Relax for a few breaths. Then raise your arms to your shoulder level. Palm facing upward. Now slowly bending the arms, touching your shoulder joint, and bringing the elbow forward in front of your chest, elbows touching. Now inhale, lift your elbow, and as you exhale, again touch the elbow. This is a one round. So as you know, inhale, go up, and exhale, you have to go down. So this is go with your breath. So 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. So inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. This is last. Now anti-clockwise. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Then 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly release. Shake out hands and resting for a few breaths. And again, hand side of your knees, resting, back straight. Now we will do neck rotation 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. First, tucking your chin to the chest. Now inhale goes up and exhale goes down. So what you can do, go with your breath. No need to see the other people, just go with your flow with your breath, because some people have a good breath holding and some have very less. So you can go with your breath, and just you can focus. Don't go fast or giving the jerk, just do calmly and in a slow way. So again, inhale up, exhale down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. So this is the normal joint movement. We do some shoulder wrist movement, and we will do some neck rotation also. So this is the warm up. Now we will do some Surya Namaskar, like 3 to 5 rounds according to your body. If you are very stiff or as you are beginner, so you can do one or two. So you can do 1 or 2 round as well. So stand in front of your mat first. So as you see, now stand in front of your mat. Take a 1 feet distance from your mat, feet together. Stand in the Tadasana. Hand side of your body, feet together, knees together, shoulder and your chin. Just slowly take a deep inhale and deep exhale into Pranayamasana. Inhale, raise up your arms, make an arch on your back. As you exhale, palm touching forward to the ground. Inhale, take a light breath back. As you exhale, into plank pose and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale into Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale into Bhujangasana. As you exhale, tucking your knees, hip pushing towards the sky. Again, inhale, take your right leg forward between the palms. As you exhale, take your left leg forward. Inhale, raise up your arms. As you exhale into Namaskar Asana. This is on the right side. Now we will do on a left side first. Again, inhale, exhale into Namaskar Asana. Inhale, raise up your arms. Exhale, palm touching to the floor. Inhale, take your left leg back. Exhale, take your right leg back and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So exhale into Ashtanga Namaskar. Now inhale into Bhujangasana. Exhale, tucking your toes, pushing your hip upward. Inhale, take your left leg forward. As you exhale, take your right leg forward. Inhale, raise up your arms and exhale into Samasthiti. This is the first round. You have to do minimum 3 rounds. If it's possible not 2, then, or you can go like 3 to 5 rounds as a beginner. Is help for warm up the body, generating the heat, and make you flexible as much as you can do continue. So now we will working on your key posture, which is Tadasana. So what we have to do, come in center of your mat, feet together, take your hands side of your body, fingers should be stretched downwards, and look straight, lifting your chest up and look forward. Now slowly inhale and exhale, bring the arms together, interlock your hands, and inhale, lift up, feet touching to the floor. Do not lift your feet now. Hold for 5 to 7 breaths. And release. Again, Inhale and lift and release. This is we can do like 3 to 5 times continue, and the last one you can go with the holding for like 5 to 7 breaths you can go, or 10 breaths, as you if you want to like intense, starting with your, you can go like 5 breaths or 7 breaths. When you are doing like continue for 2 weeks, 2 3 weeks, then you can go for like a more breath, like 20 breath, 30 breath is good for the stability. So again, one last time, this one we will hold for 5 breaths we can go. Okay, now again inhale, and do not hold your breath here, just breathe normally. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale 5 times. And so exhale and release. Now we will do with the variation, we can do like 2 3 variations in the Tadasana. This one is like a very basic posture, or we can say like a introductory posture, we can say, in standing pose every. So again, feet together, interlock your hands. This time we will stand on our toes. Toes should be lifting up. So again, inhale, lifting your hands, stretch upward, and lifting your toes, the heel this time, lifting up, and exhale slowly down. Again, interlock your hand, inhale, hands stretch upward, and heels also raise as much as you can, and slowly exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. This time we can hold for 5 breaths. Again, last time inhale and lift and hold. If you have problem to balance this posture, so you can point on a, you can see on a one point or focusing or any one object, so this one will help you to balancing on this posture. Now so exhale and release. So this is like a second variation. First with the standing one, second with the heel also lifting. Now this time feet is down on the floor, but we will do some side variation also with the Tadasana. So what we do, stand also again in center of your mat, feet together, hand side of your body. So again inhale, lifting your hands up, stretching upward. As you exhale, turning on your right side. Inhale back to the center and exhale to the left. Inhale back to the center and exhale back to the Samasthiti. This is one round. We have to do 3 rounds, and the last one we have to hold for a few seconds. So again, feet together, interlock your hands, inhale, hands up. As you exhale to the right, inhale back to the center and exhale to the left. Again, inhale back to the center and exhale, release into Samasthiti. One last time, this one we will go with a holding. So again, interlock your hands, inhale. This time for a few seconds we can hold for like 5 seconds, and exhale to the right and hold. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Inhale back to the center and exhale to the left. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Inhale back to the center and exhale. This is today a key posture we are focusing. This is the Tadasana. Now for the relaxation, just you can feet again together, lifting your hands up and exhale, palm touching to the floor.
and head touching to your knees. If not, so is okay. And just for a few seconds.
So this is with the holding, and now we have to go for the meditation also for a few minutes. We will do meditation at the end of the time so that we can focusing on our sadhana as well. So after the asana we will do some few minutes meditation, or you can we can chant some mantra. So day 1 of Ma Shailaputri, so there is one mantra you can chant is Om Devi Ma Shailaputraya Namaha. You can chant this continue like you can go like for 11 times, 21 times, 51 times, or it's better if you can do 108 times. So seated, we are seated in any cross-legged position. So hand should be on a Gyan Mudra, your point finger and the thumb touching together, and the rest of the three fingers should be straight and resting on your knees. And directly back should be straight, eyes closed, and take a few breaths, inhale and exhale. And you can just chant in your inner voice also, or you can chant with your mouth, but it's better if you chant with your inner self, so it's very helpful for you and not disturbing other also. Or you can chant with, like, if have no problem, so you can chant with that. So just chant Om Devi Shailaputraya Namaha. Om Devi Ma Shailaputraya Namaha. Om Devi Ma Shailaputrai Namaha. Om Devi Shailaputrai Namaha. Om Devi Ma 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 Shailaputraya Namaha. Om Devi Shailaputraya Namaha. Om Devi Ma Shailaputraya Namaha. Now so you take a moment, just gently rubbing the palms and touching to your eyes, your face and your whole body, and gently open your eyes. So this is about day 1. If you like, follow us, subscribe the channel, and like, share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestion, any feedback, so just comment on this video. We will see you tomorrow. Hari Om Tat Sat.